Have you ever dreamed of discovering a real diamond with your own hands? Not in a jewelry store, not behind glass, but glinting in the sunlight, lying quietly in the earth beneath your feet? What if I told you it's possible? And it doesn't take high-tech equipment or secret knowledge, just a few clever tricks and the willingness to dig a little deeper. In today's video, we're diving into the world of diamond hunting for beginners. The science, the signs, and the simple strategies that can turn an afternoon walk into the adventure of a lifetime. Let's begin. Diamonds form deep in the Earth's mantle, under conditions of extreme heat and pressure. But they don't stay there forever. Volcanic eruptions bring them closer to the surface, encased in a special type of rock called kimberlite. So, trick number one is understanding where to look. Diamonds don't just appear randomly. They're often found in very specific geological settings. Cratons, ancient, stable parts of the Earth's crust, like those in parts of Africa, Canada, Russia, India, and the USA. Volcanic pipes, vertical tunnels formed by eruptions, usually containing kimberlite or lamproite, which are prime hosts for diamonds. Pro tip: use geological maps. Many countries provide access to mineral exploration maps. Look for areas where kimberlite pipes have been recorded. But what if you don't live near a known kimberlite zone? That brings us to the next trick. When time, wind, and water wear away ancient rocks, diamonds are released and transported, sometimes miles from their original source. These diamonds end up in riverbeds, gravel bars, ancient stream channels, beaches, or offshore deposits. This process is called alluvial transport, and it's one of the easiest ways to find diamonds without digging deep into hard rock. Simple trick number two: look in gravel areas along slow-moving rivers, especially after floods. Use a sieve or gold pan to wash sediment. Diamonds, being heavy and water repellent, settle quickly. Diamonds are very hard. They can scratch glass or even steel. They usually have a waxy to metallic luster, not a flashy sparkle like cut stones. Their shapes are often rounded octahedrons, and they don't fog when you breathe on them. If you suspect you've found one, try the newspaper test. Place the stone on printed text. If you can't read the letters through it, you might just be holding a diamond. You don't need a geologist's toolkit to start diamond hunting. Here's a minimalist list. Gold pan or classifier sieve to wash gravel and isolate heavier materials. Tweezers and hand lens for inspecting stones. UV light. Many diamonds fluoresce blue under UV. Hardness tester or glass plate for scratch tests. Field guidebook with local minerals and stone types. Caution: not everything that glitters is diamond. Quartz, zircon, and spinel can trick the eye. But with time, you'll learn the difference. Believe it or not, there are public places around the world where anyone can search for diamonds legally. 1. Crater of Diamonds State Park, Arkansas. This is the only place in the world where you can search for diamonds and keep what you find legally. Since the 1970s, visitors have found over 35,000 diamonds here. 2. Golconda. Though mostly depleted, some locals still find diamonds in rivers after heavy monsoons. 3. Orange River, known for washing diamonds all the way to the Atlantic, although permits are needed here. 4. Western Australia public fossicking is allowed in certain regions with basic registration. Simple trick number 3. Visit after a storm. Heavy rain churns up soil and can expose fresh diamonds at the surface. Diamonds rarely travel alone. They often occur with indicator minerals, their chemical and geological companions. These include garnet, chromite, ilmenite, magnetite, pyrope. If you find these, you might be getting warm. Use a magnet to check for magnetic minerals and a hand lens to inspect colors. Simple trick number 4. Make a do-it-yourself magnet on a stick tool. Drag it across sandy areas. If you pick up black sands, Inspect them for garnets or chromite under a magnifier. Believe it or not, some plants love growing on kimberlite-rich soil. In Africa, the Pandanus candelabrum, also called the diamond plant, is found only in soils above kimberlite pipes. In Russia, certain lichen species grow in mineral-rich kimberlite zones. Simple trick number 5. If you're in a region where these plants grow naturally, they could be pointing you straight to the treasure below. While enthusiasm is great, there are some rookie mistakes to avoid. Don't confuse cut glass or zircon with diamonds. Test hardness and luster. Don't trespass. Many diamond-bearing lands are private or protected. Don't overlook tiny stones. Even small diamonds can be valuable. Don't skip the research. Local geology is your best guide. Trick number 6. Read historical mining reports. Many government databases offer access to old dig site data, production logs, and mineral maps, a free gold mine of information. New technologies are changing the game. Satellite imagery, remote sensing, and eye-powered geological analysis are now used to find kimberlite formations before even setting foot on the ground. But for the solo hunter, some innovations include drone-based aerial imaging for river mapping, mobile apps like Rock Identifier or iGeology, spectrometer tools that can detect diamond signatures in rock samples. Still, the oldest method often remains the best: observation, patience, and persistence. And now you know how to recognize the signs, where to look, what to bring, and most importantly, how to believe that it's possible. Because the Earth still holds secrets, and one of them might just be waiting for you. Subscribe for more adventures into science, geology, and forgotten treasures. Drop a comment below if you want us to cover emerald hunting, gold panning, or meteorite tracking next. Until then, happy hunting.